What if a research question answered itself with citations? I built AutoResearch Agent to do exactly that. You give it a question, it spins up a browsing loop, searches the web, extracts relevant content, evaluates sources, then synthesizes everything into a cited markdown report. The architecture is a local Claude-powered agent with a tool use loop, a search tool, a scraper, and a report writer. No managed cloud, no black box API calls you can't inspect. This project was itself generated by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Getting it running is 3 steps. Clone the repo, drop your Anthropic API key into a .env file, then run the agent with your question as a CLI argument. It prints progress to stout as it browses and writes the final report to a markdown file in the output directory. The repo and full source are at github.com/ritikpatel/autoresearch-agent. If you find it useful or want to contribute, I'm Ritik Patel on GitHub.